Hey, LuxStyle Vault family! Welcome back to our channel, where opulence meets elegance and every detail spells luxury. If you're ready to elevate your style and pamper yourself with the latest in premium skincare, you've tuned into the right place. I'm host Name, and today we're diving into a world of high fashion and sophisticated beauty. Let's unlock the secrets to looking and feeling absolutely fabulous. First up, let's talk trends. This season, it's all about luxe fabrics, bold statements, and classic pieces with a modern twist. From sumptuous silk blouses to elegant evening gowns, we've got the scoop on how to blend timeless elegance with the latest fashion innovations. But wait, there's more. We've got a dazzling haul that's sure to make your heart race. You'll get an exclusive look at some of the most coveted items that are trending right now. Think high fashion must-haves and indulgent skincare solutions that are about to become your new favorites. Speaking of skincare, we're uncovering the secrets to achieving that flawless, radiant glow. Discover the premium products and techniques that top beauty experts swear by. From rejuvenating serums to hydrating masks, learn how to treat your skin to the ultimate luxury experience. And of course, no luxury experience is complete without the perfect style guide. Whether you're preparing for a special event or just want to up your everyday glam game, we've got chic tips and tricks to ensure you always look your best. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and join us on this fabulous journey. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of elite fashion and premium skincare. Stay tuned, because LuxStyle Vault is where luxury meets lifestyle. Until next time, stay glamorous.